Meaning of figure 8.
Figure 8.
Figure 8.
Figure 8.
Figure 8. Figure 8 refers to a pattern or shape that resembles the number 8. It can be created by tracing two intersecting circles with the same radius, or by moving in a looping motion that crosses over itself. The result is a symmetrical and continuous loop that curves back on itself. The figure 8 can be seen in various contexts, such as sports, e.g. ice skating, roller skating, and figure skating, mathematics, e.g. infinity symbol, and even in everyday objects like a racetrack. Its unique shape and symmetry make it visually appealing and interesting.